Good afternoon, this is Michael Bauerfein speaking to you from Long Beach at the Mona Lisa building at 2767 East 3rd Street. I will be hosting an open house this weekend on Saturday and Sunday, the 12th and 13th, so please come and see me. I will be open from 1 to 4. Now, when you drive by, you might think, oh, this building is in bad shape. Well, the outside is, and it is getting a complete renovation in the next couple of months, so don't worry. Come on in, we can chat. And I would love to see you, so let's take a look at the inside. See you this weekend.